Okay, so this is our printer Creality. This is how it starts. It seems like it starts normal, measuring, and after it's gonna start make mistakes. This is what filament we're using. So first it seems like it's doing everything correct, but after it starts making mistakes. So what kind of mistakes it was before? I'm recording it right now to send
Well,
it.
one time it looked like strings. It keeps on rubbing the first layer to where the first layer turns into a blob, and then there's been multiple.
Yeah, and sometimes it's act like there is an empty. It's just nothing getting out of it.
A lot of times, what it does is it will knock the print off, and I've changed the heat in order to make it stick better. I've made sure that it was clean, that the area was clean. I've done everything that's been suggested, and nothing seems to work. It continues to screw up.
This is what it did before. Something like that, actually. This is the
This, we got
what?
this one
Yeah,
right here.
the other. I'm gonna put.
This one right here.
Yeah. What even that? I even don't know what's that.
That was supposed to be a turtle.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes it was doing like that. It's starting good, so it was starting correctly, and after it was like
Oh,
this
see,
one.
look at the blob
It's
here.
already starting.
You see the blob there?
Yep. So what problem can be? This is what I try to figure out.
And then look how some of the lines on the base aren't formed correctly.
Yes.
So if you look, some of the lines are rubbed. This is the biggest problem that we have. If you look over here,
Yep.
you see how it's rubbed right
Yes.
there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also smell a little bit like a.
No, that's not.
Or it's supposed to be
that
like
normally
that.
just smells like
Okay. Okay.
that. But it's like rubbing and it's not fully coming out, and it's just got major issues. Look at the head. Look,
Yep.
it just did it. See, look at
Yep.
the head.
So this is what
Oh, and
problem
now
with
it's
our Creality.
now it's already doing. See,
Yep.
look inside. Look right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
See, that's what it created.
So this is what problem about this printer we try to figure out. I hope you will able to have any idea and tell us what's the problem.